Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to close Emirates Islamic bank account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to close your Emirates Islamic bank account, the first thing that you need to do is prepare first. Before your request closure, withdraw all your funds. An account must have a zero balance before closure. Settle any outstanding amounts like fees, loans, auto payments, and cancel any standing instructions or direct debits linked to the account. Then bring back debit or credit cards, checkbooks linked to this account. And if you need the account history later, simply download or print your statements before closing, and access may be lost afterwards. The next is simply heading over and opening up your browser. Then on the search bar, typing close Emirates Islamic bank process and tap on the first thing that is shown to you. Then once you're done, what you need to do is you'll find the option that says close an account right here, and there are key information before you close your account. Simply read it, and the first option is visit branch in person. The bank does not let you choose the account fully online or by app. You must go to the local Emirates Islamic bank with your Emirates ID or password, debit or credit cards and checkbooks, any linked documents or forms, and the bank representative will check your account balance, ask you to fill the account closure request form, cancel linked products and standing instructions, close the account usually within 2 to 3 working days once conditions are met. You can find the official account closure form on the bank's website and bring it with you as well on the account closure request form. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.